back in your life, ladies and gentlemen. Forex market situation update. It is Wednesday morning today, and we got a very interesting update on the pound versus the Aussie dollar. Finally, we have some progress. It's been painstaking, right? We've been waiting for probably around 10 days for that move, and we finally got it. Last time we've been here was exactly a week ago, and price action was still trading. It was very stagnant. We got in early on when price action began to turn around off of 72.85 here at the bottom, and we called it out for a potential upside reversal, for potential turning point, right? And we immediately threw in a couple of trades around the 74 level, and we stayed in position for, like I said, probably around 10 days. And yesterday, finally, price action began to explode upwards. A lot of positive momentum was leading that move. We had a couple of targets for those two trades. One was right here, 75.88. The second one was 76.34. Price action knocked off both of these targets, so the whole position had been terminated, right? When we got back into the market today, looking back at yesterday, price action was already starting to hammer again, and we felt like we might be missing the second stage of that, of that upside potential, right? A 78.45 was our second target, and we also talked about a third target, 80.24. That was gonna be the third and final destination. So we were working with multiple targets, right? So looking back at yesterday's close, right, because that was the decisive close above both 75.88 and above 76.34. So we decided to throw in basically reestablish that bullish position. So we threw in the first trade, right? We're back on the horse very quickly, back on the horse. Having said that, I have to say, we might have a bit of a technical correction here. We take that under consideration, right? I feel like price action could turn around at this point, since it did take the previous high, right? It might have a bit of a backlash to what we've had, to that positive momentum we've seen yesterday. But I don't suspect it's going to go too far low. I think it may touch base, it may test 76.34 from above. It may even test 75.88 from above. But I think these two levels should provide enough protection and enough support to push price action to the back on the upside, right? So in fact, what we want to do here is be cautious, right? That's why we only have one trade right now. And if price action does that local technical correction, we're going to try to double down once it hits one of these levels and shows signs of turning around, right? That's what we want to be doubling down and increasing the position size. A second scenario, of course, is, price action just keep hammering forward, just like it did yesterday. And if that's the case, we're going to try to load up one more time around the levels of 78. With only this time, with the second trade, we're going to be trying to address 80.24. Again, implementing the second target here, the more ambitious one, the final destination, 80.24. In this particular bullish campaign, we're going to try to chase all that move in one single shot. Let's see how it goes. Again, there's a chance for a technical correction at 78.45 just as well, right? Price action can hit that level and then start a more of a significant kind of technical correction. So we need to be careful every step of the way. As far as stop loss level goes, we have a new stop loss level now. After that big break, our stop loss level at this point is 75, and we just keep going with the original game plan. Everything that we said right from the get-go about the pound Aussie is still very much valid. So we'll leave it at that, and we'll come back later down the road to check up on the pound Aussie and on the situation here with that bullish campaign. That's about that for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to move to the next video. Cryptocurrency markets coming in. See you there.